Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Today I'm going to be going over a clothing haul from Taylor and Loft. Those are two of my favorite stores, or actually I should say Taylor because Loft is under Taylor. Taylor is the parent company. And I also have some bag charms from the LindeSs and Charis from LB Lover CC's collaboration, which I'm very excited about. So if you are interested in that portion, I'm going to put timestamps down below so you can skip on through the clothing and then go on to the bag charms to see what I got. And if you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Now let's get going with the clothing haul. Okay, so this first package is going to be from Taylor, and I did get some things here and there. They kind of shipped it in multiple shipments, so some things aren't in the actual shipping bag but do have like their storage bag. I'll show you, but anyways, this is Taylor, so let's look through here. Taylor and Loft both run various promotions throughout the week. So some of these items might be in a different sale at the time that you're watching it compared to whenever I took the screenshots of the items. I got some denim. These are the skinny highest rise jeans. This is like a medium wash, or it might be a light wash. They are skinny, so tapered at the end. I got them in a size 6, and I love how they have the silver detail as opposed to the gold. A lot of my jeans, for some reason, they have gold. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on for you so you can kind of see what they look like. But they're just a classic denim, you know, like a grab and go kind of jean. Something that I can definitely appreciate. Again, this is the skinny. I got it in a size 6 again, so... And then this is what I meant by the actual storage bag, like the facility storage bags. This one's from Taylor. This is a very luxe material. It's in this medium blue color. I kind of see like it's making it darker in camera. It's a tad bit lighter, and it is a crossover. So it's a very like stretchy fabric material. Amazing. I got it in a size small. And it is 3/4 sleeves. So this crossover detail right here. It's a very pretty top, something you can wear professionally or even just casually on an everyday basis. It kind of gives that transition between simple yet sophisticated at the same time. So that's one of the reasons why I love Taylor and also Loft, because they offer a lot of styles you can dress up or down. So I love that. Next is something from Loft. This is kind of like a cheetah print shirt in a size small. It's like a shell style of tank top. Very pretty. The print is like an olive and white pattern. On the back, it does have some buttons. And then it does have like this peplum style running through from like right here down on both the front and on the back. So this is very pretty. I think you can put like a blazer over top and then kind of tuck it in just a little for like casual Fridays in the office, or just like something you can grab and go on the weekend. Very cute. So another top from Loft. This is in a size small, and this is quite pretty. It's kind of like a floral print with some gold stamping throughout, and it is in a gray or navy background, so it kind of looks a little bit darker than it did in the online images, but it's still very cute. I think it's something that is very spring-esque, and then something I can possibly wear even for Easter. So I like how it's like a high neck. It has some little detail right here, and on the sleeve it's like a cap sleeve with a ruffle. Very feminine. Again, you can dress this one up or down, and it has a button at the back to secure. I really do like this top. Again, I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter, but it's not bad. I'm not mad at it at all. It's super cute and feminine. Another top by Loft. This is in an extra small. It's also like a shell style of shirt, so like a tank kind of. It does have some button details and then a little bit of pleating right here in the front. Super nice. And on the back is just pretty simple, like a tank. and it is double lined. It's not gonna be too like see-through or anything like that. It does have the undershirt, so that's awesome. It's kind of like these micro flower prints. It almost looks like little cherries or apples. Again, something you can just pair up with a black blazer and then head to the office. So great for the office or for every day. Another item from Loft, and I think I want to say I got most of the items from Loft. I think I might have one more from Taylor in the bunch. This is just a casual tee in the color black. It is like a muscle tank style where it cuts down here, and I got it in a size extra small. It does look big, and I had actually ordered one in a white, so it's just exactly like this except white, and I really love the way it fit. I did get that one in an extra small, so that's why I kind of opted for an extra small in this one. Again, just a casual muscle tee, nothing too much to think about. It's just like a grab and go kind of t-shirt. And I want to say that this one was like one of the most affordable pieces out of everything. Either I got it for like $5 or $6, something like that. It's awesome because you can't ever go wrong with a black tee, right? Or even a tee in general, because they do have it in different colors. So sorry if the lighting looks a little bit funny. I do have some windows up there and the sun's shining through, as you can see. So this next one is such a beautiful color. I was actually very nervous by it because I thought it was so vibrant, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, but yet it's still very spring and also a little bit summery at the same time. Very feminine for sure. And whenever I got it, it's actually showing a little bit more blue, but it's actually purple, like a vivid purple or like a vivid light purple, not a deep purple. It's so pretty. Again, it is a shell style shirt with some buttons, and then it has a little ruffle material up in the collar. The back is a different style of material, so it is one of those mixed media shirts, and then it does have some nice lace detailing. It's very cute, and I think I'm gonna actually really love this color. This next one is a little bit different from everything I would get, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it too much, but it is a Western style shirt. I got it in a size small, and it's in this cream color. It's very nice. And it does have like the snap button closures with like a pearlescent kind of buttons. I got this one because I thought that, you know, it is rodeo season, at least here where I'm at. So I can wear this out to a rodeo night, or just pair these off with jeans, pop it open, put like a tank underneath, and just wear it for like one of those chillier days. Like if I want to wear denim shorts or something like that, or even later for the fall time. Something that I don't think I'm going to be wearing too much on repeats, but something that's going to be very flexible as the months go by. This is like in a thicker linen material. So again, it is like snap buttons. Just very simple. It doesn't have any print. It's all solid, but I do like that because it kind of gives you a flexibility on whether or not you want to pair this more with black or with brown, like a traditional Western would be. So I love that about this shirt, and I thought that I would go ahead and get it because it's still great to have every now and then. There is cook-offs in the fall, and then now the rodeo time, so it'll be fine. I will wear it for sure. It's kind of those things that you don't need to have, but it's good to have kind of situation. And I think it was only like $13. But moving on to the next item, this is a pair of shorts by Loft. I got this in a size medium. These are like some paperback shorts in like this olive greenish type of color. I know it has a technical color, and there's like a lot of fluffies from the Western shirt, but it's just like this olive green, and I've been digging this color lately. Like, I don't know why it took me so long to venture outside of your traditional black and navies. I like this color, and even like your beiges or your caramel tone bottoms, so nice. But anyways, these have a drawstring in the back. It just has some pockets right there, so it's kind of like a cargo style, but still very like casual and chic at the same time. Actually, I can kind of see this being such a cute outfit too, with the Western shirt and these. Nice. So I have another pair of shorts. All right, so these are like in a light blue, light gray kind of color. It's more blue than it is gray, and I think it's kind of showing off great on camera as far as the coloring goes. It comes with a belt on there, and I thought these were like great like sailor vibes, but also very much spring and like Easter. So I think I might wear these with Easter, or possibly with that one shirt. with this one, like pair these two together or something like that. But I like these even for every day. Like if you just want a pop of color on your outfit, put these on with like a black top or a white top, or just something that has a print. I think this would be great because it's something that you don't really expect to see. It's not like your khakis or your whites. That's that, and I got them in a size 6. I think I got another one. I don't know if it's this exact same style. Says these are called the Martha Twill paper bag shorts. So they might be the exact same, just in a khaki or a light khaki color. So I got these in a petite, size 8. I remember they didn't have any on the regular, so I really wanted to get this color as well. And this is the only size that I could get that I think is very comparable to like a 6 regular. Pretty much the same concept as the one I just showed, just in this light khaki color. It comes with the belt. It does have this nice pleat detail like right here. And it might just be like the starching or how it is that they assembled the presentation for it, but it looks very nice. Or actually no, it is that way. I thought it was like, you know, whenever you starch it, but it does have a cinch right here, so it does have that natural pleat there. But I like the back and how it has that cinch detail, very paper bag-esque. All right, so the next top that I got is a yellow top from Loft. I don't think I have anything in this particular color in my collection. I got it in a size small. I like how it has this little like eyelet detail up from the shoulders, and also it has it up in the neck area, as well as some buttons, and this is a V cut. Okay, so I did move over because that light was a little bit too much for me. I couldn't handle it, but this is a nice yellow, and actually it is showing true to color right here. I'm just gonna go through and show you the past ones. Actually, this is a great outfit right here. So this is the khaki, and then compared to the blue, actually it's a great representation right there. So that is amazing. I am very excited for those shorts for sure. And then again, this is blouse. So hopefully in editing, everything that I've already showed you doesn't look too bad, but we're almost done, so that's fantastic. Okay, so let's go on to the last item, and this one I think is the last one from Taylor. And yes, this is from Taylor. It is like a shell sweater vest kind of situation. I thought in the model it looked very like officey, but at the same time very casual and chic. You can wear this with like a long sleeve underneath for like the colder months and kind of make it look just like leveled up, if you will, or just do like a bandeau bralette situation underneath and pair with some shorts. I thought this was very versatile. It is very simple, and it probably just looks like a grandma shirt, to be honest, and it actually looks big. I got it in a size small. It does say it was final sale. One, I hope that it fits because it does look big, and I'm not too big in the top area, so I hope it's not too compromising there. And it doesn't have like, it's not like a wrap style with a string or anything, but it is a crossover, and at the bottom is just that cream or beige coloring. So just a very nice classic houndstooth print. So this actually might be great with the shorts. So yeah, very cute. Something like that, you see. So not too grandma-ish, in case you were thinking that. Again, I'm gonna link all of these items down below. I hope that they're all still available because this one did say final sale, and if I can't link it, I'll try to look for something that is very similar. They have promotions pretty regularly, so you might find these in full price or in some kind of discounts, but hopefully you are able to buy any that you found interesting or that caught your eye. Again, check down the description bar for all those links. All right, so now let's get going with the bag charms, which honestly it's one of the items out of everything that I've showed you that I'm most excited about. Yes, I like clothing and I like styling and all of that great thing, but I think this is even cuter. So let's see what I got. So this has actually been in my bench for quite some time. I had ordered it on the last day that they had the promotion. I think that was like February 19th or something like that. So I ordered it that night and I got it that Wednesday of that week. It came very fast, and oh, this is stinking cute. This is cute. Check this out. This is the bubble wrapping, and I hope you can see it, but they're little hearts. How adorable. Wow, this is like packaged very, very good. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. All right. I'm just gonna set that down. This is actually the very first time that I've purchased anything from LindeSs. I've always kind of had my eye on her bag charms, but I thought that they were like a little bit too pricey for what I thought they would be. But after looking at Charis's video announcing her collaboration with her, I'm gonna link it down below in case you do want to watch that. She kind of detailed like all her other bag charms that she has with her, so I was like, okay, yeah, I'll give it a try. But first, I am pleasantly surprised with how they do package their items, so that is great. And then two, the shipping. I don't know if it's because I kind of was looking at the website for quite some time. I feel like they probably already knew what I was gonna buy, but that was great, super fast, and very impressed. So she has just two stickers. One says LindeSs and then the other one says thank you. You're welcome. Let's see. Okay, they come in their individual pouches. This one is the LindieSs X Charis with the little hearts, and I did get another one from that same collaboration, so I have two of those. And then I got a different bag charm, and then it just has a card, and then it just says thank you for your order, 15% off your next order, and it gives a code. I love to see your beautiful photos on Instagram, and she has a giveaway, and it says win a 500 USD gift card by tagging her on the photos. So very nice. She's actually so gorgeous too. Very beautiful. I'm gonna link her channel down below because she is also a YouTuber. She has a great Chanel collection, or more so a pink collection. So if you are into that, I'm gonna definitely link that down below so you can check her out. All right, so I did get the initials, and I got it in a black. So this is the letter R, and I'm just stunned because it does have some weight to it. So you can definitely sense the quality right then and there. And it had a little bit of glue residue, but this is actually very pretty. Like, I'm just kind of looking at the craftsmanship. I do know all of these are handmade, so that is impressive. So that's the very first one that I got, black R initial. All right, so then this next one. So they did have a deal that if you bought 3 or more bag charms, you got a special charm. So this is the special one. Let me just show you the one that I did get. So I got my Y initial in the color white, and then the hearts. This is so cute. Has a little LindeSs heart at the top. Oh, this is so adorable. I really do like it. So this next bag charm, I wasn't sure which one exactly I wanted. I wanted like a little horsey, but I also wanted one with a pom-pom, and I couldn't decide. I was on the website for days, so I finally came to the conclusion that I wanted this combination, but I still didn't know if I wanted the heart, the butterfly, or the horsey. So I did end up opting out for the butterfly, and here it is. So pretty. The back is patent leather. This one's just so gorgeous. It kind of shines a little bit of purple, a little bit of orange, a little bit of blue. So beautiful, and this is stunning. So pretty. All right, you guys, so that is all the bag charms that I got. So 2 initials, a free gift, and then a butterfly. Now I remember, so I did really like this one in the hearts, but I knew I was gonna get the little heart as a free gift, so I thought I could just venture into a different shape that she offers. So I'm actually very happy about this one. I like the rhinestone combinations, but I'm also very happy about having some personalized charms. So let me know which one is your favorite. If you do have any charms from LindeSs, let me know which ones those are, or which one is on your wish list if you are eyeing them. I'm gonna put her website down below, and I'm also gonna put Charis's promotion discount on there as well if you are interested in purchasing anything from LindeSs. If you have any questions, let me know what that is down below. If you just want to chat, let's connect. I thank you so very much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.